Krusty Crew.
Hey, Patrick! You all ready for the big night out tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna rock.
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices.
Are you ready to...
SpongeBob, Patrick, do...
Go and you sit down, and I had the burger because I wasn't a big barbecue guy at the time. I have been...
this night all week.
Party!
What do you think we should do first?
What should...
So I guess I gotta give my license back, huh?
I hear Mrs. Flounder is starting a new class Monday morning.
You kidding? You're the only teacher for this student. And besides, the warden says she'll let you go early if you do her a favor.
What's that?
Free driving lessons! Da! Da!
Tell you, we've got to put our faith and our trust in the Lord and know that He's there.
Reusable papers.